At first glance, when you look at this very simple product, you might think it would never make any sales on Etsy. But if we look closer, we'll see that this product is actually making a lot of sales, even at the time I'm recording this video. The seller is pricing it at only $1.37. Yet when we scroll down, we find that it has received almost 5,000 reviews, meaning it likely earned over $7,000 from this single product alone. And remember, most buyers don't even leave a review after purchasing, so the actual sales are probably much higher. If you read through the reviews, you'll see they're all excellent, which means customers really love this product. And to confirm that it's a digital product, the seller even mentioned that clearly in the listing. Now, let's take a closer look at what this product actually is. It's a set of 26 alphabet flashcards to help children learn the alphabet and the names of objects that start with each letter. For example, AA for apple, BB for ball, and so on all the way to ZZ. Since they're learning flashcards, each card size is 3 by 5 inches, which is a perfect small size. Not too big, not too small. I've always noticed that Etsy shops focusing on early learning for kids, like alphabet, numbers, math books, and other preschool materials, make huge sales. That's why we're going to focus on this type of product for a while. And I highly recommend you start selling these products right now. Make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll be suggesting some similar product ideas that I'm sure will make you great profits as well. Now, let's jump straight to Canva, and I'll show you quickly how to design a product even better than this one. We'll start by creating a new design with dimensions 3 by 5 inches. Let's go back to the product to get a general idea of the layout. You'll notice it has the letter at the top of the card, then a picture, and then a word that starts with that letter. Now that we understand the structure, let's move on. Next, I'll go to ChatGPT and pay close attention to this step. I'll show you a quick method that will help you design professionally and much faster. I'll ask ChatGPT to write a list of kid-friendly words starting with each letter of the alphabet. For example, AA for apple, BB for ball, etc. These should be simple words that are easy for 3-year-old kids to understand. Now focus. I asked ChatGPT to write all the letters in one column. AA, BB, CC. I'll explain why in a moment. Then I asked it to write all the words in another column. Now let's return to Canva and start designing. I'll change the background color to red, for example. Then I'll go to the Elements tab, search for Shape, and choose a simple one. I'll resize it so it fills the page, leaving just the edges visible, and center it perfectly. Then I'll change its color to white. The idea here is to have colored borders around the flashcard. This is the easiest and most professional way to create colorful borders. Next, I'll add text by pressing the T key on the keyboard. Let's design the first page, the AA card. I'll place the letter A at the top of the page and change the font to a bold and clear one. I personally recommend Genty Sans. It's very readable and friendly for kids. Then I'll enlarge the letter and position it neatly at the top. I'll change the text color to red, the same as the border, and add a thin stroke for extra appeal. Now let's add the word apple at the bottom of the card. Here's a trick that will save you a ton of time. Go to Apps, Bulk Create, enter data in Canva. Delete the default columns, then rename them Column 1 and Column 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first column, letters, and paste it into Column 1. Then copy the second column, words, and paste it into Column 2. Next, click the blue button, right-click the letter AA at the top of your card, and select Connect Data. Connect it to Column 1 And do the same for the word apple by linking it to column 2. Then hit continue. Now watch the magic happen. Canva automatically generates a separate page for every alphabet letter. It's such a fast and easy method that saves you tons of time in design. Now the last step is to add images suitable for kids on each page. On the first page, I'll search for an apple image and place it in the center. On the second page, I'll search for a ball, choose one, and place it nicely. To make the product even more engaging for children, you can match the border and text colors to the image color. For example, if the ball is blue, change the text and border to blue too. It looks much more fun and attractive. Let's quickly design another page together, the CC for cat card. I'll search for a cat image. I like this orange one. Since the cat is orange, I'll change the border and text to orange as well. Now it looks even more beautiful and lively. You can now continue the rest of the alphabet yourself and upload your complete flashcard set to Etsy. Before we finish, I want to point something out. In this video, I showed you how flashcards sell really well on Etsy using the alphabet set as an example. But don't stop there. Be more creative. You can make flashcards for different topics like clothes for kids, musical instruments, animals, fruits and vegetables, and many more. You can create endless products, and I'm sure they'll sell great if you stay consistent and keep improving. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. I reply to every single one. And if you'd like me to help you create a coloring book or activity book for your Etsy or Amazon shop, I offer that as a service. Just email me. And that's it for today. See you soon in the next video.